Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is all about food. Since we are all unfortunately now locked at homes, hopefully those meals that I share with you will inspire you to cook healthy and lightweight. We all know that being locked at home and staying at home all day makes us more prone to snacking, and that's in most cases due to boredom rather than actual hunger. So hopefully those meals will inspire you to eat light and help you to avoid getting all those unnecessary extra kilos after quarantine is over, so we still can enjoy our summer body after we get out of this. If you watch my vlogs, you know that I love cooking and I also love eating. I eat a lot and I eat everything. I never was on any specific diet, and I'm not, other than gluten-free diet, but that's due to health issues because I have celiac disease. I generally eat healthy, but I also like to eat everything. And recently my husband came back from deployment, so I was cooking more up to his taste, like, you know, things that men like: heavy food, meats, pulled pork, ribs, and all that delicious, beautiful, amazing food, but unhealthy and heavy to digest, unfortunately. And yeah, I paid for that. I felt the effects on that quite badly. So now I have to recover from that. Sorry, I am on a recovery and I try to eat healthy and lightweight to apologize my digestive system for that. I'm not a dietitian, so probably a dietitian has something to say about that too, but that's what in my perception is light, healthy, and still makes you happy and still doesn't make you feel deprived of food and the good things that you like. Before we start, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I post lots of videos quite frequently recently. I also introduced weekly vlogs, including my husband, who is sitting now there, and yeah, lots of cooking, relationship advice, and all the good stuff that we all need. So please subscribe so I can see you in my next one.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be right.
For my first meal, I'm going to have 2 pieces of bread with that spread. I already tried this, it's amazing. It looks like so sweet potato and chickpea spread. I'm going to slice some tomato to go with it and add some freshly ground pepper and drizzle of olive oil. It's a bit later today and I'm going to have this for a snack. I'm really curious how yogurt totally made of coconut is going to taste like.
When I need some loving, baby. We've been through a lot, holding hands.
For the next meal, I'm making one of my husband's favorite meal, which is stir-fry fried rice. It's very quick and easy, delicious, and doesn't take you a long time. All you need to do is to prep all the ingredients ahead. So here I have white rice that I cooked last night. It's the best when you have it cold for that dish and cook at least 8 hours before you make the dish. Here I have some garlic, ginger, chili, red bell paprika, some sausage and bacon, broccoli and mushrooms. And to fry it with, I'm going to use 100% peanut oil.
Things away tonight will go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah, we can go so far, so far.
So for dinner I'm making a simple salad made of rucola and salad mix with mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, some spring onion, Here I have dressing made of olive oil, mustard, salt, pepper and oregano. And here I'm frying some zucchini to go on top of that, so that will make a warm salad.
See us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah.
That was the full day of me eating, the full day of my meals, and every day is different. There's no day that is the same. I'm not holding on into any diet, as I said before. Every day I cook differently because I really like everything and I could eat all day every day. Don't trust me. I can sometimes out eat my husband. No, that's not true. He eats too much, he eats a lot. But yeah, I love food. So this is the version of light eating, and hopefully that will inspire you to cook at home. Let's try to pass this horrible time right now, these difficult and challenging times of quarantine, as a positive thing. Let's take positive out of the negative. That will encourage us staying at home, but that also is an occasion for us to reunite with our family, with our close ones, to stay at home, to cook for our loved ones, for our, not friends because we can't see them, but for our family and beloved ones, so we can gather around the table, keep our spirit high, show our love through food, and stay positive. So I encourage you to use my recipes for that reason, and I hope to see you in my next one.